Welcome to finding the tangent line to an implicit equation. So the idea, we now know how to find y prime given an implicit equation. So as long as we are given a point to work with, a point on the graph, then we can find the slope of the tangent line. And therefore we can find the tangent line. For example, let's go ahead and find the tangent line to the graph of 4x squared plus y squared equals 2x plus 6 at the point 1, 2. So we can just quickly check as a side note that 1, 2 is on the graph. So if we plug that in, we'd have 4 times 1 squared plus 2 squared is equal to 2 times 1 plus 6. And we do indeed get 4 plus 4 is 8. And on the right, we also have 8. So presumably you should be given a point on the graph, but on the off chance it's not, then you're not going to be getting a tangent line. It wouldn't make sense to work with that point. So now we need to find the slope. So we have our point is 1, 2. To find our slope, we need to first take the derivative. So again, we're going to take the derivative with respect to x of both sides. So we're taking the derivative with respect to x of 4x squared plus y squared, and that is equal to the derivative with respect to x of 2x plus 6. I'm going to stop writing out quite as many steps as I did previously. I'll still try to make it so that you can follow along readily. So if we take the derivative of that first, of the left side, we know that we have 8x is the derivative of 4x squared. And then we are going to be taking the derivative with respect to y of y squared and multiply it by dy dx. And on the right side, if we take the derivative of 2x plus 6, we simply get 2. From here, we have 8x plus the derivative of y squared with respect to y is just 2y times dy dx is equal to 2. And then if we solve for dy dx, we have 2y times dy dx is equal to 2 minus 8x. And then if we divide by that 2y, we have dy dx is equal to 2 minus 8x divided by 2y, or in other words, 1 minus 4x divided by y. At this point, we can go ahead and find the slope specifically at our point, which was 1, 2. So our slope at 1, 2 we will go ahead and plug those in. So we have dy dx is equal to 1 minus 4 times x, so 1 minus 4 times 1 divided by 2. And we get 1 minus 4 is negative 3 divided by 2, so negative 3 halves. At this point, we have our point and slope. And we can go ahead and write the equation for our line. So for our equation, again, we have a point of 1, 2, and a slope equal to negative 3 halves. So if we put that all together, we have y minus 2 is equal to negative 3 halves times x minus 1, or y is equal to negative 3 halves times x minus 1 plus 2, alternative point slope format, or y is equal to negative 3 halves x plus, let's see, that would be 3 halves plus 4 halves, so plus 7 halves. So again, we've just found our equation to a tangent line. It's pretty similar to what we've done before. It's just using implicit differentiation to find the slope